Hello everyone, welcome you back for this session on the polymer MEMS and as well as the microfluidic case studies. Now here in this sessions what we are discussing is with respect to the cells, DNAs and as well as the proteins. See these are all the materials what we studied, that too especially in the high school level, also that too especially in the biologies. Now as you know that the cell is a basic functional unit of the life. Without that there is no life at all. A function of the cell that determines what we can say the generic sequence and it carries. As you know that the cells can develop a rich variety of the functional differentiation based on the genetic codes. These genetic codes are the basic elements with respect to the DNAs and RNAs. The cell communication is with their outside environment is thoroughly and highly sophisticated and also the complicated with respect to the cell wall. Why means, as we know that our body is a basic components of the what we can say as cells. The cell walls are made up of what we can say a liquid bilayer lined with ions of the channel, or it may be the tiny channels, and these allows either it may be a potassium or it may be a sodium to pass through the selectively in a two-way. Now here in this case, as we know that the potassium and as well as the sodium, these things are released in the form of a sweat. The channels are nothing but the tiny holes which are been there in the what we can say the cell walls. Now the bacteria and viruses are the special forms of the cells. The bacteria are the examples which do not contains the cells, or it may be a nucleus. Viruses is not. On the other hand, the viruses can divide and even it can reproduce and it can form a chain and it can spread very easily. It may only do so after what we can say after infecting the what we can say the host cells. The bacteria and also viruses, these also comes under the category of the what we can say the cells only. The best examples with respect to the blood, even in our blood there are white blood cells and also the red blood cells are there. The rapid identification of the cells and as well as the bacteria and virus is important in the medical field to diagnose the environmental monitoring and also bioterrorism prevention. The next topic what we are discussing is with respect to a DNA. The full form of the DNA is nothing but deoxyribonucleic acid. The life is only possible because of the cell. Upon the decision, the transmit to the next generation is by means of the DNAs and even the RNAs. DNAs and RNAs, it is nothing but something like a large molecule which is having a molecular weight which is in the form of a chain. The monomers that comprises of the nucleic acids which are called as nucleotides. These nucleotides which is having a 5 carbons, sugars, nitrogen containing the organic base and as well as the phosphoric based molecules. The 4 nitrogen containing the based forms are cytosine, thymine, adenine and also guanine. See, which is represented by CTAG. Now the cells of the human carries the what we can say 3 billion base pairs of the nucleotides. The codes transmitting which is from intent to a primary structures of the protein to form a constitution of a machine of the cell. What we can say a DNA molecule is a sequence of AA, G, CC, TT, A, GG binding strongly with another. The DNA molecules that contain at least following sequence of GG, A, TT, CC, G, AA. The another one is nothing but the RNA. RNA is nothing but ribonucleic acid. See, RNA molecules is also responsible for transmitting the information to the ribosomes, whereas the protein synthesis actually occurs. For example, the DNA molecules can be used the recognition and also nanoscale assembly because of the unique hybridization schemes. Now, the proteins. If the DNA is a basic code of the life, protein is the agent that carries out the intent of the code. The protein is a natural polymer which consists of a 15% of our body. The protein molecules is made up of a chain of amino acids. The 20 basic types of the amino acids are found in the life. The order of the amino acids in the protein, which is called as a primary structure, and what we can say conveniently indicated by using a 3-letter codes by forming an amino acids. See, which is nothing but LYS, ALA and LEU. The long chain of the protein molecules do not maintain a straight line in nature. In fact, the segmented protein interacts with each other. A long protein molecule can assume a many coiled shapes, which determines a function of the proteins. The proteins derives their functionalities from the primary amino sequences and as well as the way of the long molecular chain folds. The next topic is nothing but the locks and as well as the keys. The biological bindings, the chemistry and also biological is filled with examples. Even these biological bindings events which carries a specific and as well as a strong chemical recognition and also the mechanical construction in the molecular configuration. There is no engineering equivalent of such what we can say the selective and as well as the automated selection and the process and tailorability with respect to the accuracies and as well as the selectivity and also the prevalent uses. The some of the most commonly exploited biological binding protocols are nothing but a binding between the antibodies and as well as the antigens, the binding between the biotin and as well as streptobidine molecules and the DNA complementary binding. See, these are all the what we can say the bindings, or it may be the binding with respect to the antibodies and as well as the antigens. These it is by means of locks and as well as the key arrangements. And even the DNA chain, or it may be the RNA chain, where the binding is a complementary, which is in the form of a chain. This chain is done by means of a lock and as well as key arrangement. Now, the design and as well as the fabrication of the selective components. See, before going into it with respect to the design of the any what we can say the component, the parameters like either it may be the cell, protein, DNA, RNA and even the bacteria, these it has to be analyzed, and then afterwards we have to go for the design and also the fabrication of the components. The microfluidic chips are many and even the components are also many, but these comes under the category of the either it may be the channels and as well as the walls. The other components, the categories which includes either it may be the heaters or it may be the mixers or it may be the fluid reactors or it may be the reservoirs. See, these components are also used in the case of the human plantation. Now, the design and as well as the fabrication method of these is discussed in the further session, which is nothing but the channels and as well as the walls.